Welcome back to Sunex. Today I want to talk about coatings. And typically when we talk with our customers about coating, we're talking about the optical coatings, air coatings, filter, bandpass. Today I want to talk about environmental coating. And there's three main differences. We have hydrophobic coating, hydrophilic coating, and oleophobic coating. The hydrophobic coating I will explain a little bit more in detail, but in general it is water repellent, right? You see this sometimes in maybe tests with nano-coated technologies where things just simply roll off. That's kind of hydrophobic coating. Hydrophilic coating, in comparison to that, is more water hugging. So if there's a little bit of moisture, it spreads it out evenly over the lens surface, for instance, to allow fog to disappear quicker. And then the third one would be oleophobic, maybe in the medical area where we want to make sure that certain type of oils are actually rolling off the lens. The coating that I want to discuss now in more detail is the hydrophobic coating, because this is one of the coatings our customers actually requesting most often, whether that is in medical or in automotive or in other application areas. In automotive in particular, any camera that is actually mounted in the outside of the car, surround view, the e-mirrors, all of those are typically treated with a hydrophobic coating because the first element is exposed to the environment. And you don't want to have rain, for instance, standing on the lens and then disturbing the image. So to explain what hydrophobic coating actually means, I want to do a little drawing here. If you envision the lens surface, and on that lens surface they're piled a nice little water droplet. Per definition, hydrophobic coating are contact angles above 95 degrees. So at Sunex we say at least 110 degrees to have enough buffer in there. And the contact angle is now simply defined from the contact point of that water droplet. You draw a line on the outside just touching the circumference, and then this angle here, this is the contact angle. So the coating technologies that we do in-house at Sunex, they achieve 110 degrees at least, if not larger. But it's not so much a challenge of actually doing a hydrophobic coating from the get-go. Important is that this hydrophobic coating actually is withstanding some harsh environments. For that, again, if I take automotive as an example, we go through an extensive reliability and environmental testing. And the importance with hydrophobic coating is that, for instance, after a certain test, which is called a taper test, where you have a wheel of a certain weight going over the lens surface and scratching over this coating. So after that process and after that test, the contact angle still has to fulfill the requirements. What is nice with hydrophobic coating as well, because it's also put on a specific substrate that is a little bit thicker, it actually also protects nicely the lens from a standpoint of maybe impact resistance. So hydrophobic coating for any lens, especially in automotive that is exposed to the environment, is just simply highly recommended. Thank you for watching.